Every breakthrough device begins far from the hands that will hold it. Raw elements are extracted with accuracy measured in microns. Only the purest materials move forward. Power begins here, beneath silent white plains. Energy is handled like precision cargo. Strength is born from earth and pressure. Clarity starts as simple grains. Nothing advances without approval. Different origins, one destination.
The journey toward iPhone 18 Pro Max has begun.
Once extracted, speed and security become everything.
Every shipment follows a tightly controlled route. Nothing enters the chain without verification. Transparency is enforced before trust is granted. From road to rhythm, the process never stops. Every unit is sealed, tracked, and timed. Momentum carries innovation forward. The destination defines the future. Raw materials are now ready to become something extraordinary. This is where raw potential meets engineered intent.
Access is granted only to what belongs.
Inside, order replaces chaos. Each material knows its path.
Automation still answers to human eyes.
Spine feeds every innovation. Even air is engineered here. Separation prepares perfection. Every second is accounted for. Now, the real transformation begins. Strength is shaped through subtraction.
Every curve is measured before it exists.
Perfection is verified, not assumed.
Clarity is born under extreme heat. What you touch begins as liquid fire. Stability is engineered layer by layer. Energy is assembled in silence. Power depends on balance. Separate parts prepare to become one. Transformation is about to accelerate. Assembly begins with absolute alignment. Intelligence finds its home. Power is installed, not forced. Heat is anticipated before it exists. Vision is engineered, not added. Interface becomes seamless. Nothing enters. Nothing escapes.
The first breath is taken.
Every sense is tuned.
Now, machines take over.
At this scale, consistency becomes law.
Machines see what humans cannot. Imperfections are corrected instantly. Durability is tested before life begins. Extreme conditions reveal true strength. Even dust is unacceptable. Software awakens the hardware. Only the flawless move forward.
Human judgment remains the final filter.
Proof comes next.
Every device must earn its place.
What you see must be perfect everywhere. Every gesture must feel instant.
Vision is trained, not assumed.
Sound and feel must speak clearly.
Power is tested under restraint.
Durability is measured, not guessed. Real life is unpredictable.
Trust is signed by human hands.
Only now is it ready to leave.
Completion demands protection. Presentation is engineered, not designed. The first moment of ownership is prepared.
Everything has its place.
Identity is permanently assigned.
Scale transforms precision into impact.
Millions wait in perfect order.
The world is the destination.
And this is how modern factories produce iPhone 18 Pro Max from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.